and I'm lifting my foot because this car is going much slower than we are. And then I would tell you, I need you to slow down a little bit because we get on top of cars quite a bit. So I'm gonna keep in this right lane just to show you what you will be doing with your instructor. And then you can see the whole traffic flow, the traffic scene moving. And now I'm gonna turn on my left blinker, mirror, turn signal. You saw me check my blind spot. You got that front view. And I'm back in. So now I'm in the middle lane. And I'm working on my lane positioning. I'm using the mirrors to help me. I'm looking ahead around the curve. So how do you know you're centered? I'm looking ahead at the car. I'm not looking to the right. We're in North America, so our steering wheel is on the left. A lot of beginners will hug the right lane because they're so used to being in the passenger seat. But when I drive you, I'm gonna make sure you understand about getting yourself square and what you need to do. So I'm looking at brake lights. I see cars coming behind me speeding up. I see all this traffic. Someone's in the left lane who should be in the middle lane. They're holding up cars. I see a bunch of brake lights. So one of those 14, 15 cars needs to get over, because in the traffic scene, cars are backing up and they keep tapping brakes. So I'm just trying to analyze. Ooh, we got the convertible. Just taking my time. And centrifugal force is pulling me to the left. Curves really give beginning drivers a big challenge. So see that car just cut over, one blink? You need to have at least 3 to 5. And I'm lifting my foot a little bit. And we're doing okay. I would tell you, hey, you're doing pretty good. Maintain good speed, stay in your lane, and keep driving. That's what I would tell you. We got another semi. There are 4 blind spots. Left side, right side, front and back. Stay out of the no zones. I'm lifting my foot, and I'm just looking at the volume of traffic. And for this time of day, 2:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in North America, it shouldn't be this heavy, but it is. Just like it's 5:30 rush hour. So that goes to show you that there's a huge mass of drivers traveling from the metro area up north to our brothers to the north. And I'm still keeping space. So the left lane is not the lane you want to be in. Someone is going too slow, cars are going too fast, and they're tailgating. That's why all this traffic is just backing up. So the correct option is the middle lane. That's the smooth lane. And if you were driving, I would say, let's stay in the middle lane, like that truck cutting over. That gives you a little panic heart attack. And that is too aggressive, and it kind of throws you off. So if you were a beginner, that would kind of shake you up a little bit. It kind of caught me by surprise. But you want to have that defensive driver mindset. And all people don't drive safely and consistently. Some are reckless. Some are wild. W-I-L-D. So I'm maintaining 1001, 1002, 1003. I'm about 4 seconds away from this gray Nissan that kind of cut us off a little bit. I see a blinker on, so my heart's pounding. I know this semi-truck driver wants to get over. And those motor carrier drivers have to wear a colored vest. go ahead and get over one lane to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, and you can see the open gaps. It had about 3 blinks, and I'm